In this video, we will demonstrate how to flash the UIFlow to firmware onto the Cardputer-Adv, as well as how to edit and deploy programs. Download and install the M5 Burner firmware flashing software from the official M5 Stack website. In the device list on the left side of M5 Burner, select Cardputer. Find the UIFlow 2 firmware for Cardputer-Adv and click Download. Set the power off state of the side key of the Cardputer-Adv. Then press the G0 key before powering on the device, and release it after the device is powered on. At this point, the device has entered the download mode. Click Burn. Enter the Wi-Fi and other related configuration information. Click Next to flash the firmware. After the firmware has been flashed, the device needs to connect to UIFlow 2 before programs can be deployed. Cardputer-Adv supports connecting to UIFlow 2 in two ways: access code or USB. This tutorial demonstrates how to connect using the access code method. After Cardputer-Adv starts up, you can view and obtain the access code on the develop page in the UI application. Before connecting, make sure the device has successfully connected to the network. Open the UIFlow to Web IDE. Click Controller to open the device list. Click Connect Device. Enter access code and name your device. We'll walk through examples to show program editing on Cardputer-Adv in UIFlow 2. Example 1. Screen. Displaying Hello M5 Stack on screen via UI Editor. Drag the screen block to adjust screen brightness. Click Run once for temporary test. Example 2. Button. Use button blockly to show click prompts when pressing Cardputer-Adv keys. Example 3. Speaker. Use speaker blockly to make the device beep every 2 seconds. Example 4. Matrix Keyboard. Using the Matrix Keyboard blockly module to read the keyboard. Example 5. IMU. Use IMU blockly to view real-time 3-axis gyro angular velocity. Example 6. IR. Use a Cardputer-Adv as the transmitter and a Chorus 3 equipped with a unit IR as the receiver to implement infrared communication. Here's the full demo of programming Cardputer-Adv on UIFlow 2. Give it a try.